Welcome to the channel. I am Jill. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then stick around. And I hope that if you like what you see, that you decide to become part of the JS family by hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell, and once you hit the bell, hit all so that you're notified of every time that I upload a video. If you are already part of the JS family, hugs and blessings, you guys. And so today we are going to do a quick DIY. We're going to do with, the holidays being over. It's still winter time. So I want a new wreath for the door. Well, not really new, but like a redo, because I just took the old one down, took the stuff off, and we're going to redo it. So we are going to do a simple winter's wreath. So this is, well, I know you can't see, so 1 second. I'm pulling off some of this glue from the last project. We are going to, like I said, do a winter wreath. And so because I just like something on the door, something that says, welcome. So we already have that on there. So what I'm going to do is adjust the camera so that you guys can see what I'm... Okay, you guys, I know you can't see my head, but you can hear my voice, so that should work. So what we're going to use, I have these, I think this is pine. Have these pine stems. This one has some hot glue on it. Well, I'll get that off. Oh, okay, it's coming off. So we have some pine stems, and we have my all-time favorite. We have some lamb's ear. And we have a few pine cones. Like I said, it's going to be a winter wreath, so I'm trying to keep it simple, but we'll see what happens. So you guys know, well, if you don't know, I don't think you do, because I don't think I said the last time we made a wreath. I like when you have like weight on one side. Sometimes I'll bring it up, but I really prefer the one-sidedness. I know, I'm crazy. Anyway. So, and what I try to do, like my picks, I try to make it where I don't have to glue them down. I don't think this one is going to bend as well. Oh, okay, there we go. That's why I like using the grapevine wreath, because it will hold a lot of your picks and things without you having to hot glue. So I hope you guys are having a great day. It is so cold here. Well, I said it's so cold, but actually the so cold is going to happen later on tonight. I think it's supposed to get down to like 19. Oh, honey, I was born in the summertime. In the summertime. What was that song? Hot something in the summertime. I don't know. Let's see. Come on, work with me here. Okay. So we got some lamb ear in there. I absolutely love lamb's ear. And I have, I'm following, let me see, her channel name is RB Nursery Nanny. Is that right? What I'll do is I'll link it down in the description box. I absolutely adore her. She does gardening, and you guys, she does such a great job. Oh my goodness. And I'm learning from her. I'm learning, so much from her. I love her channel. She's got me a little excited about the spring. I hope I keep this enthusiasm up until spring. So I want to try some of the things that I've learned from her in my yard this spring. I wish I would have found her sooner, so I could have already put some things in the ground. But we'll see what we can do come spring. So let's see. Let me look at that for a second. Yes, that's nice and simple. And that's the way I want it. Simple. Guys, I know I had been missing for a minute. And to be honest, I was struggling. We had that conversation about depression. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch Healing After the Storm. But so I've been kind of dealing with that, and this time of year really doesn't help any, because I also have that seasonal depression crap. So it's winter can be a struggle sometimes. Winter can be a struggle. And then one of my sisters that passed, her birthday was December the 27th, and so it was a lot. I want to try to be transparent with you guys. If you see that I'm missing, that's probably what's going on. Okay, so I was saying trying to be transparent with you guys, and when I'm missing and stuff, that's probably what's going on. However, I have been blessed with some great friends who call and say, "Okay, girl, what's going on? I haven't seen the video. What's going on?" So, friends and family, you know who you are. So I want to take this moment to say thank you so much for helping me when I need it. I'm just, when I need you guys, that I know some of you are going to, say, "Okay, girl, come on, you can do it. You got this, come on." So, and I just want you guys to know I appreciate that. I appreciate you. I'm trying to put enough glue on here to put this pine cone. And yeah, so I feel like if we talk about it more, make people more aware of it, then people won't feel so alone, or feel like they're the only ones, fighting that battle. Because, honey, I'm finding that there are a lot of us, a lot. I should have put some paper on my desk, because I'm getting that thing that's going around. That makes it so hard. I was so excited because my church has been closed ever since. And the plan was twice. The first plan was to reopen back in August. Well, the numbers went up, and my pastor was like, "Nah, we're not doing that, because I am, responsible for you guys." And I get that. I appreciate that. So we've been having online services, and I'm okay with that too. So the plan was to open this New Year's Eve. So in doing so, we had two choir rehearsals, and I am part of the choir. And let me tell you guys, because I have really been, trying to do what we're supposed to do. I think we all was so excited to see each other. Everybody got a little emotional. Girl, I really was emotional. I have to stop saying girl because I got some guys now. Welcome, guys. But yeah, I got a little emotional just seeing people's faces and being able to, pray with them and sing with them and laugh with them, and to have several of them tell me that, they subscribed and they watched. Thank you so much. Well, so I was so excited about it. However, it got nipped in the bud because I'm gonna show this to you guys in a second, because I'm done all I'm gonna do, I think. But what happened was someone tested, because they did require us to show our cards, that we've been vaccinated and everything. But anyway, someone ended up testing positive. So they were like, if you have any symptoms, go get tested. If you don't, then you're probably okay. Quarantine for 5 days. Well, I decided not to go back. Some of you know about my sister, but anyway. But then I think some more people, staff ended up testing positive. So my pastor decided, nope, we're going to do the virtual thing. So it's all good. But I did get to see everybody for a couple of days, and it was absolutely wonderful. Those of you watching, I love you guys so much, and I miss you. I'm getting emotional. Okay, wait. So anyway, we're going to talk about this wreath. So here, oh no, we're going to have to alter. Let's see. Let's take, I might have a little too much stuff going on. I think that's what's wrong. Maybe we'll take this one out. We're going to take one of these out, I think. Let's take, yes, I'm a little bit more happier with that. I like the way that's looking better than, my other stem was just too big. It was just, sometimes you can just do too much. Sometimes less is more. So now, look, see? It says, come on in, sit a spell, have a glass of wine. So, okay, you guys, I think that's it. I think. I really feel like, you know what? Wait, that ain't it. Because I think what I want to do is put this, make this lay. Oh, shoot. You guys are not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that little red subscribe button. Tap that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. Tell a friend, share me out. I am so trying to grow over here. And pretty soon, my 1 year anniversary is coming up. So, you know what that means. Celebrate, my subscribers, come on. So, we're going to see what I come up with for that. It's coming up real soon, that's all I'm going to say. So, you're going to have to keep an eye out for what's going to happen. Okay? Okay, so, I want my lens here to lay down a little bit more. So, okay, there you have it. I hope you can see it good. Ta-da! We're done. We're done. I think. Knowing me, I might go back in here and put some, you know what, guys? Okay, you guys, so this, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. I think this is it. But then two, nope, this is it. So, you guys know what I love to say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.